Welcome to Tortola, the heart of the British Virgin Islands. This weekend, we're checking into a breathtaking resort, sailing in the sailing capital of the world, and soaking up the island vibes. Plus, we'll see how dancehall legend Vybz Kartel influenced lives in the Caribbean culture. Get ready for sun, sea, and non-stop adventure. Let's go. Okay, so I finally made it to my Airbnb, which is at this cute little resort called the Wyndham Lambert Beach Resort or hotel, and it's so beautiful. I love my cute little, it's just like, it has a perfect charm. I'm gonna show you guys it though.
Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the night one. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, that's to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall from the right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to me, Lord, one time. Sit down in a class and we pour them. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring. Like, hello, brother, say, I just shut down. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. You're falling on it, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just to the plus. Yeah. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to me, Lord, one time. Sit down in a class and we pour them. Only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell you my story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the job. Free, I'm in the light. Jah knows I'm a passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. Coming like a potion. Blessings all from my life one. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall from my right hand.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I travel around the world with friends. Ladies! Hey, and the lovers of Christ, you will come in like Bible. When it up and down, this is heaven. People not the best, my dear girl. You say you're coming like Bible. Apparently love some create sex. Why? You want to be ever blessed? I gotta go with you. Can you love with you? Like, bro.
It's a pressure. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
My 2 foreign in the visa. I don't need it. Pull a drop top with an eater. 2-seaters. New wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop over just to a check when I land. My 2 foreign in the visa. I don't need it. Pull a drop top with an eater. 2-seaters. New wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop over just to a check when I land. Money way. Diamonds. I woke up rich, spin a grip on the necklace. I put the plug on 3-way. Maserati, go speed race. I put baby on a bitch face. More ice facing this way. We put the world on the wave. Don't give a fuck cause I'm paid. More act in a lemonade. Pharmacy knowing my name. I put that because she bougie. She shot my dick in a movie. Trap jumping like 2-3. She a foreign little free. My bitch was born in the visa.
Foreigner.
I don't need her. Pull a drop top with an eater.
Foreigner.
2-seaters. New bitch wanna fuck on my AP.
Foreigner.
New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop over just to a check when I land. Bitch, 2 foreign in the
bitch a foreigner. And she love to fuck. She suck it up. Make her fall in love. Put that on her tongue. Perky on her tongue. She do them walks for us. Make her one of us. They guess I'm smoking, blowing. Face on my neck, snowing. I'm dark skin, glowing. On the Perky, I'm rolling. LA, parking. I'm screaming, I'm barking. They like Poppy, why you starting? Pop a perk, go retarded. They know I'm wrong and I need that respect. 700 grams, ice and baguettes. Possible, niggas know I'm next. Black keep on shooting until it's the left. I'm 8-23, I throw up the set. 20 years old, but I move like a fat. You talk like your mom, you better invest in the vest. Nigga, cause you could get left. Back to the phone, huh? I'm fucking head pastor. Show a difference between a dog and a master. Lamborghini truck flooring. Got your bitch in the back, boring. She like, Poppy, I adore you. I'm like, baby, I ain't normal.
Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. I'm push a P. Cop no hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got you spotted.
Alright! They don't like us and we love it. Tell them we don't really mind. One thing's for certain, they can't stop the shine. They don't like us and we love it. Tell them we don't really care. Doing good is just a habit. Yeah. We don't want no bad mind people around where we don't want.
Chip for peace. Drop the data, now we plotting inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian